It's Sunday today, and finally, we're gonna take down the Christmas tree today. And today is January 12. Oh, here, here. But you have to put this in the... Yes, under the... Paano siya para mawala mo ang mga eye bags. I didn't use that one. That was free from the United Airlines. We went to the church today, and then we visited Mom as well to the hospital. She will be back home by Wednesday. She's doing very well, which is good. She's walking in a walker by the help of the people from the hospital, the nurses, doctor. I get so sorry. So we're really like looking forward that when she got back, she will feel better and comfortable na from walking. So this time, hindi na siya naka-wheelchair. She will be using a walker. And like I said, did I say? Yeah, we're gonna put down the Christmas tree para meron tayong space dyan. And I was like thinking na, tinatamad ako guys kasi marami akong ginagawa for the past few days and weeks, and umaalis kami lagi with my husband. So, and of course, napapagod na rin ako, no? Kasi tumitingin ako sa Christmas tree. I'm so very happy with the Christmas tree. And I said this many times. Paano namin siya nilagay, paano namin siya decorate. And some people were actually like telling me how nice the Christmas tree is. But again, I don't have any experience when it comes to putting up Christmas tree decorations like that. But I just like went to Facebook and Pinterest ba yun? Or no, YouTube pala. Like there were some videos in YouTube na they're teaching, or they're, you know, teaching you how to put Christmas tree. And then this one became a little trend. And I was like, okay, let me copy this one. But the video that I was watching, iba yung kanya. But what I did is like, sige, dinagdagan ko na lang ng ribbon and fix. But yeah, we have to remove it now. And I have to get boxes. Kasi yung mga bowls natin, of course, we have to keep it. And yung asawa ko talaga mas prefer niya yung traditional na Christmas tree. Yung red and green decorations, yung ganon. But then I was like telling him na mas gusto ko yung white kasi hindi ko pa na-try yung white. So, white. Sobrang messy ng aming garage kasi we are trying to like... we are trying to clean up. My husband is trying to clean up. And then he started putting things on the attic. Guys, yung mga light things lang naman. Yung mga nilagay niya doon. Just to be sure na hindi naman namin overweight yung mga nilalagay doon. So, yeah. Asan na ba yung ibang boxes?
Swamp crab!
Hello! Sorry! We're gonna put you in a box.
Plato.
Aming mahiwagang nasa kuan washer. Wala ka na nabot away. Huy! Natay church din nga. Nagdali-dali lang ba? Hindi pa namin tinanggal yung tag sa likod. Oh. May tag pa sa likod itong but I couldn't find the box. Empty boxes. Where are the empty boxes then?
For what?
Like the ornaments. I'm gonna put the ornaments.
In the attic.
I put it all there.
Just got it out of the way.
Well, inita lang siya ba mga 1 minute or 1 minute. Yeah, hindi kami kumain ng lunch kasi guys, from church, and then nagpunta nga kami ng hospital, like we stayed there until mga 2:30 p.m. So yung mga bata, gutom, and now it's almost 3.
3 naman yun.
Almost pa, wala pa nakabot ng 3, oh. Right, goodbye Christmas tree. Removing my ribbon! Tatanggalin na natin siya, guys. Meron yung ano, guys, yung ribbon bitaw na may color, tapos cloth, Pero mahal siya kasi ito, mura lang to nabili. Mura ko lang to nabili sa ano? Sa Shein. Parang $2 lang ata itong per 10 yard. Na ano? Yeah, I got this one for like, parang, like, yeah, I think, yeah, $2. Hindi ko na to siya magagamit next time kasi nag-ano na yung mga net niya. So, like, after you use this one, tapon mo na lang. This one, this net. Kasi, oh, nag-ano na siya, nagkumpul-kumpulan siya, guys. Pang one time na gamit lang to, guys. Pero, hindi na, like I said, hindi siya mahal. So, it's okay. Oh my gosh. Lastly, we're gonna, alright, tumba na siya, guys. Oh my gosh. Alright. Okay. Whew. So, yung nakakagat ito is, gaganyan mo lang siya ulit. Wow. Mabigat siya. Oops. Anyway. Ito, tatlo to eh. Ayun. Tanggal na. Sabi ko, tatlo to. Dito. Alright. Good. Finally. The hardest part na naman is yung paano natin siya ilagay sa box. Whew. Tatlong section. And then, kasi nung nilagay namin ito sa box, guys, super flat nito. Like, super flat. Ngayon, parang nagbukhad na siya. Let's continue the vlog. Kasi yung last video ko pala, hindi ko tinapos. O, diba? Ganito ako, guys. Pag tinamad, hindi nagba-vlog. But anyway, yung last video ko pala is like when we were doing the, ano bang tawag nun? Ano bang term nun? Tinanggal namin yung Christmas tree. Tinanggal ko. Ako lang. Yung Christmas tree. Tinake down yung Christmas tree. So anyway, let's continue that video. Meron akong natanggap dito na package from Ma'am Susan from Ohio. Ohio, tama? Iowa. Sorry, mali na naman ako. Iowa, guys. So, thank you so much, Ma'am Susan, for sending this one. She reached out to me last week. Sabi niya magpapadala siya ng something, but then nagkaroon ng problema because yung weather nila, sa lugar nila, nagkaroon sila ng snow and it's so hard to drive out. It's so hard to drive down. So, hindi niya mapapadala. But then, nagkaroon siya ng time to send this. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for sending this. Alam ko na yung laman nito kasi sinabihan niya ako, guys. I just wanted to open it for you guys to see. Sobrang bait ni Ma'am Susan. Pinadalhan din niya ako ng picture ng snow, guys. May snow sa kanila. And then yung dog niya. Cute dog. I was like even thinking talaga. Kaya magkaka-snow dito. Wala kaming snow dito. Aalis pala kami today, guys. Lagi naman kami umaalis. Paano ba ito buksan? Tama ba ito pinagagawa ko? Oh. Itong asawa ko. Meron. Ayun. Ito yung knife ng asawa ko. Oops. Then here. Sa bahay na pala si Ma'am, guys. Yesterday. Balik na siya from rehab. So, yung rehab niya is like parang 9 days. And she's doing great. So, maybe like in pag last namin, siguro pagpunta namin doctor next time ipapatanggal na yung braces so she can work na without braces. Yung dog na sa labas nag-i-enjoy. It's cold but sunny. Very cute. Oh, ala. Yung pinadala niya yung favorite pa na ano na favorite mo. Ew. Hello. Thank you so. Ito naman yung favorite ko na smell. Uy, bago to. Victoria's Secret lotion. Ito talaga yung favorite ko. Nakatry na ako nitong yung hindi lotion, yung perfume ng Love Spill. Love Spill ng Victoria's Secret, yung kanilang ano guys, yung kanilang perfume, sobrang bango. Ooh, same talaga siya ng smell. Yung lotion din, I can use this one. Well, actually, meron pa kasi akong Aveeno na lotion. Hindi ko gusto yung magsasayang kasi guys. Like, ako yung tipong tao na tatapusin ko muna yung isa bago ako gagamit ng isa. So, yeah. And then this one is Victoria's Secret Sultry Berry. Bago to Let me smell this one. Binuksan ko na agad. Try ko. Naka-sealed pa. Hala, mabango. Wow. Naamoy. Kahit di pa na-open. Buksan ko lang tong dito. Okay. Ay, mabango din. Okay, balik natin siya. Okay, balikan siya, guys. Ayan. Para lang ba? Sure. Mabango rin to. Bago to Blend number 1. Yan. Lotion. Lotion. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ma'am Susan. And then this one. Favorite ni Ashley. Favorite ni Ashley. Favorite ni mga kids. Thank you so much, Ma'am Susan, for this. We appreciate it so much. Thank you so much.
Guys, I'm going to make this gingerbread house. So let's start. I got all the supplies. There, my sister is, I think her head hurts, so I'm just gonna do it by myself. Okay, I don't know what to do with this. Is this too put? Okay. It's so squishy. I don't know what to do with this. Let me just see the instructions. It's so squishy. Let me just wash my hands.
아니 내가 뭐라고 이렇게 신경을 써?
신경 쓸만한 크지 않다고 그러니까 오빠 애들한테 했잖아. 발자를 구해요. 근데 이제 우선 발을 또 잡더라고.
Got it.
뭐야? 딱히.
축하합니다.
Didn't he? Gave him something else to think about, didn't he?
Motivation. Okay.
Okay, guys, I made progress. Malatawa.
저거만 보내던 깡치가 내주지도
Maot kayo.
Cute. What did you do? Ano boy-boy ko ng hands?
무슨 공부했어요?
Pagpatapot man Guys, I made progress. Taputon. I think makaon
Pagkaan man ito.
Moto.
Yeah.
Kaon? Love it.
Tapat.
Ako na yung tilapan. Akong kamot kami hinlo. Ay, oh, right. Guys, look at my gingerbread. It's ruined. Look. It's so ruined. It was my mistake. I didn't glue it properly. But it's yummy though. It's yummy. And I can eat it. At least I made progress. How many times did I say that?
Okay, done.
Okay, it's so yummy. Okay.
Ano daw ba nabutan kaya akong bana guys. Oh, da. Naglabay na siya basura. Da. Very good husband, very good. Trash day today. Oh, diba? Ingan. Kana may saktong bana. Mulabay og basura. Di kayo magulat sa asawa ko yung maglabay. It's okay na. Thank you, babe.